Let r and c be real numbers. If r and minus r are the roots of this equation, then c equals to what is the question. Now this given question, this given equation is a cubic polynomial. That means it will have 3 roots, and 2 of the roots are given as r and minus r, and I am going to take the third root as m, and I can say sum of the roots should be equal to, that is r minus r plus m should be equal to a minus b by a, which is nothing but minus c by 5, and that should be equal to what? R and minus r get cancelled, m will be equal to minus c by 5. That's my first equation. Now next is sum of the product of the roots in pairs. So r into minus r into m plus m into r should give me a c by a, which is minus 10 by 5. So these two will get cancelled. So minus r square equal to minus 2, second equation. Next is product of the roots, that is r into minus r into m should be equal to minus d by a, that will be a minus 9 by 5. A minus r square m should be equal to minus 9 by 5. I am going to consider this as the third equation. Now I am going to substitute the second in the third, that is going to be a minus 2 into m will be minus 9 by 5. That gives the m value as what? 9 by 10. Now substituting this m value in the first equation. So 9 by 10 equal to minus c by 5. So this getting cancelled. So minus c is equal to 9 by 2, c equal to minus 9 by 2, and that will be the answer. Option A is the answer for this question.